Yeah, Lola, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. So people keep asking me how do I do my trades? How do you do your trades? Yeah. So I don't only use the AI to trade. I also have a bot that give me signals to also trade. We have many forms of crypto arbitrage. It's not only just one way, we have many forms. And that's why I'm saying that if you need mentorship, just chat me. I will not be the first person to chat you. Just chat me and I will guide you on how to become a pro in crypto arbitrage. Yeah, but this one is an AI bot that will trade for you. This one is for people who don't have time to trade. So if you don't have time to trade, then you will do this one. So for a startup, you can trade twice a day with these bots. Yeah, and you can withdraw your money at any time that you want. So let's start. When you deposit your money, click here to deposit your money. When you deposit your money, the money will be in your, this one's my demonstration account. The money will be in your regular USDT. So it means that when you deposit your money and you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw your money at any time that you want. But the money that the moment you transfer the money from regular to arbitrage, that's when you want to use it towards to trade, because you can only use the money that is in your arbitrage to trade, and you can only withdraw money that are in the regular USDT. So for instance, if I go to withdraw right now, like transfer right now, you can see that I can transfer money from regular to arbitrage, and I can also transfer money from arbitrage to regular. Yeah, and if so, you can only withdraw money from the what regular account. So before you can withdraw your money, you have to transfer the money from arbitrage to the regular account. Yeah. So if I go to my arbitrage here, you can see that I can only use my arbitrage wallet to what to trade. And at the moment I click on start arbitrage, it will start what trading for me. Yeah, to start what trading for me. Yeah. So when I start trading for me and I want to withdraw, I can withdraw it. And if I want to transfer it, I can transfer it from regular to arbitrage. At the same time, I can transfer it from arbitrage to regular. So I can do all these things. So people say that, oh bro, so after the boat trade for me, how can I withdraw? You can withdraw at any time you want, except and at any day you want, except Saturday and Sunday. Apart from that, you can withdraw your money at any time. And I've already done some withdrawals for you to see. You said that thing? Yeah. So it's just simple. And this one, this one I don't have. I'm using it for a demonstration. I have my real account over there. This one I use for the demonstration. Yeah, you can see that it's what's preheating. So it will do all the arbitrage for you whilst you relax. You can even cut it and open it at any time you want. You see that thing? Yeah. So the bot is for people who don't want to trade for themselves. This one will trade automatic for you. It will search for the available coins and it will trade for you. To trade for you. So this bot is going out for 50 USDT. So you chat me and I will activate one for you, and I'll also video call you and show you how to use the bot from scratch. I'll call you personally and I'll show you how to use the bot from scratch. This one is for people who don't have time to trade. Just let the bot trade for you whilst you will just cash out. You can cash out your money anytime. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. If you don't want to trade with the bot again, you can do that anytime you want. anytime you want. You can tell the bot that, okay, now I don't want to trade. I don't want you to trade for me again. So let me withdraw your money. And when you check the data records here, you when it's 90%, you see the particular coin that is what is trading. It will show you everything. To show you everything, the coins that is trading. It will show you all the thing over there. Yeah. So this is how it is, and I'll also show you how to what activate the account and stuff. I'll show you everything. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord. Follow me and let's vibe.